what's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity, and when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So hope you guys are having a fantastic day so far. Mine is going nicely. Today's actually, I believe this is going up on my mother's birthday. It is her birthday today. Happy birthday, Mom. She is 72 years young. I hope I aged the way she is because she's aging fabulously, so yeah. Anyway, another fun fact, I'm shooting this, it would be my grandmother's birthday today. She unfortunately passed away many years ago from lung cancer, but she was born on June 30th, 1913, and she would be 107 years young today. So happy birthday, Grandma. Hope you're having a great time on the other side. So anyway, it kind of tied into, this is the second day of Supernatural Week, talking about the other side and people who have passed along. Very weird transition, I am so sorry. But anyway, I'm just continuing this week, which is basically I am just using Supernatural palettes all this week, Supernatural inspired palettes to do my makeup. And for this day, I decided to go with Lunar Beauty's Moonspell palette. I really enjoy this palette. It totally goes with the theme. It's just so cool. It kind of looks like a grimoire and stuff like that. And then when you open it up, it looks like this. Very, very nice, very pretty. I really like how this works. I've used it before. I think I've actually done a video with this. I think one of my glamour in pajamas actually is with this palette. I don't have anything from Lunar Beauty other than this, so I can't compare it to their other products, but I like how this worked, so I give it a thumbs up. I think it's a fun palette to have. It is a little expensive. I believe it was $48. I got it when Sephora was having one of their sales, so I didn't pay full price. That's because I hadn't tried anything from Lunar Beauty, and $48 is a lot to pay for, you know, something that may or may not be great. I mean, I waited. I didn't buy it right away. I waited to hear reviews on it before I bought it just to make sure, and most of them were positive, and I was really curious, and this just looked like fun, so I picked it up. So for today's video, I thought I would do a palette bingo with it, so that I'm forced to think outside the box, hopefully, and, you know, get a bunch of colors that may or may not go well together, and I'll have to think about it. I'm kind of in the mood for a challenge, so I am hoping that happens. So I had the random number generator up on the back. I just want to see. So there are 15 colors in here. So all right, so here we go. The first one is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's this pink one, Beige, right here. I love that he named them after like witches from all different TV shows and movies, which I thought was really cool. So Beige looks like that. Then I got 1. What? I literally just had to pause the video because while I was writing or showing you the swatch for Beige right here, which is the first one I got, apparently, which I just had to repress it, so I'm not going to show it too much, Peru, which is the second color that I got, fell out of the tin and smashed all over the floor. So I stopped the video. My hair probably looks like a mess. And I was trying to desperately find where this went, and I realized it fell behind me when I lifted it up to swatch Beige. So this is Peru. This is the second color I got. We're saving it and we're going back. This is so weird because it's like the third time I've had to shoot this, because the first time I was going to shoot it, see, this is so bad. This broke and some of it just fell out, which I think is really funny because I'm shooting my Supernatural video and random weird stuff is happening. Like with the Destiny palette too, 2 of the tins fell out, which I didn't like put in the video because I don't think like, I mean, I don't know, I thought that was, which is just crazy. So I don't know if something weird is going on or what, but I think that's really, really funny. Although it's also terrible because I love, Peru is actually one of my favorite colors in that palette. And yeah, I did the best I could to save it. I don't even, okay, so now we're going to go with color number 3, which is, oh my God, which is Piper. What is it with me in getting colors that are all together? And we're doing 5 because bingo has 5. So now we got 14. Oh, so there we go. 14 is Nancy. That's, and the final color is 5, which is Sabrina. Right here. Again, I get almost entire rows of colors. Yeah. So I'm working with Paige, Peru, Piper, Nancy, and Sabrina. So let me just figure out what I'm going to do and I will be right back. I prime my eyes like I normally do with my P. Louise base, and I think I'm going to jump into the color Paige, which is the matte, like magenta. And I think I'm just going to put it on the inner portion of my crease area of my eye. Like that. Just gonna run this through a color switch, and I'm gonna jump into the purple, the Sabrina, which is the matte purple, and I am going to put that next to Paige. Is that what that one is called? Yeah. So I just ran this through a color switch again, and now I'm gonna pick up that teal, which is Nancy, which is the matte teal, and I'm gonna put that on the outer portion of my crease area. Bringing it out a little bit too. Okay, so it's kind of looking like a little bit of a gradient here. I'm not really good at that, so I'm just trying something different. I just took a blending brush and just blended out the tops a little bit so that they go into each other more. Now I think, Okay, so off camera, I just cut my crease, and what I'm going to do is, I did it off camera because I'm really bad at it, and I need to like have both hands or whatever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Peru, which is the color that's smashed on the floor. So it's very loose right now because I didn't fully repress it. I just wanted to be able to use it for the video. And I'm going to place Peru over where the cut crease is. And I'm just applying it with my finger because it is like a shimmer. So I find that it applies better with your finger. So like that. Off camera, I just finished this eye, and then I went in with this Tattoo Studio purple eyeliner on my waterline on this eye, and now I'm going to jump in to the color Piper, which was the metallic pink that I got, and I'm going to apply that under my lower lash line. And then I just want to take a small little blending brush and blend that that out. And then for my inner corner, because I didn't get an inner corner color, I used Kaleidos' Solar Sailor as my highlight today. So I'm just gonna dip into that and pop that in my inner corner. So like that. So this is my final look right here. It's fun, it's different for me. I tried to go outside the box and do something I normally don't do. So it was fun to do that. To finish up with my lips, I just put on this lip gloss from Aromaleigh Cosmetics called Aurora. It's actually the one I was wearing through the whole video. I just touched it up. I actually didn't think it would go, but I kind of like the way it looks with this just because it is more of a natural color and this is kind of a bright, you know, intense look. It kind of traveled a little bit because I didn't use glitter glue or anything. But yeah, so this video was fun to make. It was so weird. I apologize again. It's probably going to be edited really weird. I can already tell you. So I had to stop and start so many times. Like I almost thought I was not going to be able to do it. And I'm like, no, I'm doing it. It was so weird that those shadows just like fell out. I don't know what's going on. It's Supernatural week, so I have no clue. I'm really sad that a lot of Peru is messed up, but at least it got a like, well, I can still salvage some of it, but it got a nice hurrah in this video in case it doesn't press again well. I was not able to salvage a whole lot of it. But anyway, yeah, this look is fun. It's definitely different for me. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did like it, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. I totally get it. Thank you for stopping by and sharing this minute with me. I really, really appreciate it. And I will send you happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for spending this second with me. As always, I will list everything that I'm wearing on my face as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable. But of course, we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye.